Not all upgrades are worth it, but these 5 are. If you're buying appliances, spend extra on these exact features. Number 1. GE Profile Smart Built-in Wall Ovens with no preheat air fry. You can air fry directly inside the oven with no preheating and no extra countertop appliance. It's faster, cooks evenly, and still gives you crisp results, while GE's precision cooking keeps temperatures consistent across the entire oven. Number 2. KitchenAid refrigerators with the Preserva Food Care System. They use independent cooling systems and humidity-controlled drawers to keep produce fresh longer and prevent flavors from mixing. You also get flexible, adjustable shelving that actually adapts to real groceries, not just boxes. Number 3. Bosch 800 series dishwashers with Crystal Dry. This uses natural minerals to transform moisture into heat, so dishes come out dry, even plastics. On top of that, they're extremely quiet enough to run anytime without noticing they're on. Number 4. Sub-Zero refrigeration with dual refrigeration and panel-ready design. Separate compressors for the fridge and freezer keep temperatures stable and humidity balanced. That means longer-lasting food, less freezer burn, and a true built-in look that blends perfectly with custom cabinetry. Number 5. Thermador Pro-Style Cooking with Induction Precision. You get incredibly fast heat, exact temperature control, and immediate response. It's a big upgrade if you cook often and want restaurant-level performance at home. Spend more where it actually matters. Smarter technology, better results, and less hassle every single day. Which upgrade should we cover next? Comment below, like and follow for more tips, and visit townappliance.com.